For many years, people have been wondering whether there's life on other planets. We've always been fascinated by the chance that there might be someone or something else living out there, perhaps wondering the same thing we are. Hollywood has mostly portrayed aliens as green creatures with big eyes, some good and some evil. Realistically speaking, there's been no solid evidence that creatures like these exist. However, there's been a lot of research done by astronomers to determine whether there could be life on other planets and what conditions they need to survive in. But what conditions are needed to sustain life on a planet? The planets need to be a solid. The planets also need to have liquid water. And finally, the star needs to be a main sequence star. What evidence do we have so far? An Earth-like planet was discovered 20 light-years away. It's called Gliese 581g. As you can see if you look through the clouds, there's water on the surface surrounded by land, just like Earth. It was discovered in 2010 in a solar system which is smaller than ours, but very similar. Astronomers are almost 100% sure that there could be life on that planet. However, we don't have enough technology to finally determine whether there is life or not. Lauren Efron, production coordinator for Discovery News, shows the top 10 places where we can find alien life. There has been strong evidence that microfossils have been spotted on a Martian meteorite found in Antarctica, showing that life may have existed on the red planet. It has been theorized for years that an ocean could be hiding underneath the icy surface of this moon, but no ultimate evidence was found to support the theory. It has been declared that salty waters lie beneath Jupiter's second largest moon. Scientists believe that if such an ocean exists there, then there's a possibility of complex life on it. Even though there's no sunlight on Titan, Saturn's largest moon, liquid methane was found on the moon's surface. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen were detected on the largest moon of Saturn, which are elements that support that life might exist there. However, life has not been confirmed yet. Exoplanets are planetary bodies that are outside our solar system and orbit other stars that isn't our sun. Some of these exoplanets were found to have some organic compounds such as methane, carbon dioxide, and water, all key factors of life. It was announced that Orion Nebula, just south of Orion's belt, showed signs of life-supporting chemicals such as the ones previously mentioned and many more. When a star dies, it explodes and produces planet-warming radiation that could bring icy planets back to life, producing water that could begin the first stages of life on these planets. There's also Mars, which I'll talk about shortly. And of course, there are many places that have yet to be explored. Since astronomers still don't have the technology to explore whether there's life on planets far away, they'll start on the nearest planet that has the possibility to sustain life: Mars. NASA has recently sent out a new rover called Curiosity. It was launched on the 26th of November 2011 and is expected to land on the Gale crater in between August 6th and 20th in 2012. It's the most advanced rover that has been sent out so far. The aim of this mission, among other things, is to finally determine whether Mars can sustain life or not. The name Curiosity was chosen by a 6th grader from Kansas in an essay contest. Astronomers already know that there's methane in the atmosphere, proving that the planet is still alive, and that there are ice chunks that were found when the Phoenix Mars lander scooped up soil in its search for liquid water. The total cost for the Curiosity mission was $2.5 billion. The rover is expected to stay on Mars for 686 days, collecting all the information it needs and hopefully give the astronomers the answers they want. Hopefully they won't find this guy. So the question remains, is there anyone out there? And if there is, will this just be another battle that we have to fight? Or will we be able to get along? I guess we'll have to find out. Thank you.